Hey, my name is Scotty, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sketch people, and this week we'll be using a fountain pen. And I'll start at the top with the head and put 2 dots for the height of the head and bring that half out and this way. So let's do the top shape first of the hair. Nice hair that's coming out there. Go straight down, put the ear in here and then connecting back up this way. So the chin is on this line there. And we want that front face there to divide into 3. 1/3 there and 1/3 there. Forehead there to the nose, and then we come back to the face there. Down for the top lip and step down, and then around for the chin. And then we have the neck there. Complete that off with an angled line like this. Come in from a point here, shade that in. Show the shadow, that's what I'm focusing on, the shadow lines. The corner of the eye is from the side of the nose, goes up 2/3 between the eyebrow and the bottom of the nose, so about here. A little line like this. Thicken up the eyelashes just slightly. Line there, little C shape, and then a bigger one around it. I'm just going to shade this in with big broad strokes like this. Now we're going to continue the body down. I'm doing this in one line. Follow that like that, down there. Now we want to find that main shape of the torso. Top of the shoulders to the crotch. Length is 3 heads. So 1, 2, 3. These really nice wrinkles. Change the angle back out there, in towards this way. So pretty much go straight and then like that. And stop. So I'm roughly going to show where it goes by doing gaps between my lines. And this way. Let's draw a line there for the pocket. I'm just going to shade this in. Now we have to do the other hand. That's where our thumb is, and we come down, and we have an oval shape around the wrist. So follow the arm down to there. 2 and 3. So I'm putting a dot there, and it will come right down into the thumb, bottom of the umbrella, which we're also going to shade in. And because this is an important line, and I'm going to also shade this in, which I also shade in. And it comes slightly further out than this. But wherever you put that, then you measure it, and then across. The umbrella's being pulled across there, down. And between those 2 points, sag it down as an outward curve there. Go like this, have a thicker bit there, thick line there, the bracket. Mix them up like that. Now let's move on to the lady. So about there, and put a dot there. So we can see this gap between the hand, and that positioning is important for the rest of sketch for this lady. So I'm going to just go around the hair like that, and you can even add in the earring, and then down towards the ear here. Across to the side, and that's where the chin is. And let's split this face into 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we go down for the eyebrow there, and then the other eyebrow. Just below the nose, a little line. So I'm going to do the bottom of the chin. Right in the corner, it just curves like that. Top eyelid again. Just a little bit of a dark spot for the iris there on each eye. Shade in where we think though that top lip is. And then we'll do the shadow under the bottom lip. And there we have the face. One more detail is just the side of the nostril there has a line going down to the corner of the mouth. And I'm following the hair. See the hair curves around like this. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Goes angles up like that below the ear, and then angles away. Now we're just starting this off. Angles away a bit this way, and angles this way. Now we can outline those clothes, and make sure you put lots of wrinkles in. Look at this. It's lots of fun doing that. Putting in some more wrinkles. And her, she's got bigger sleeves there, and that comes in. And then we'll go up and put the knuckles in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if you draw it bigger than it really is or smaller than it is, that doesn't matter as much as the face. That's why I do it quickly, this bit. There. Outline it with a box. And you can still do this with other pens, just do really light lines. And the collar up this way. So Payne's Grey, we have Payne's Grey there. And I'm going to make a medium saturation, just be slapping that in. Let's cover this whole inside section of the umbrella, and I don't want to touch the other one, and this section here too. Go in here and leave some white there like that, and down here it's all solid, thing here because there's lots of really light bits. So I'm just doing sections of it. See, there's lots of white through there, just a few strokes. A bit here, a bit above the eyes, below the nose, and around the chin. Just down here below there, just showing the shadows again. We'll do one across here where the umbrella is, showing a bit of that shadow. A hint of shadow on that side, that side. I'm just doing it all on the left hand side of the shapes. And a bit of interest with a bit more of a stroke through there. Here, and then of course that arm there, but without it being as strong as this one. Then you could add some little raindrops like that. So that's how I sketch people, using a fountain pen and a bit of grey watercolour on the top. If you'd like to see the full tutorial and have the whole process to follow me with all the details, it's over on my Patreon membership. Have the reference there and the template and the full tutorial. You can follow along, plus you get access to my whole library, including beginner fundamentals, and a community, really lovely community where you can share sketches and you can get some encouragement and get motivation by seeing other people's sketches. Also ask me any questions. Otherwise, there's another video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.